Hello dear students, myself CMA Padmaja Buzruk. I will be discussing auditing. Go to study note number 7, provision relating to audit under Companies Act. I will be discussing secretarial audit under section 204. Secretarial audit is as per section 204 of Companies Act 2013, subsection 1 of section 204, every listed company and a company belonging to other class of companies as may be prescribed in Rule 9 of Chapter 13 under the Act shall annex with its board's report made in terms of subsection 3 of Section 134 a secretarial audit report given by company secretary in practice in such form as may be prescribed. So secretarial audit report is to be prepared by company secretary in practice. It is to be in such form which is prescribed in Companies Act. In case of every listed company and companies which belong to other class which are given in Rule 9, they are supposed to annex, that is attach with their report of Board of Directors, a secretarial audit report. Now we'll see which are the other class of companies. As per section 204 subsection 1 of Companies Act 2013, read with Rule 9 of Companies Appointment and Remuneration of Managerial Personnel Rules 2014, the following companies are required to obtain secretarial audit report: every listed company, every public company having paid up share capital of 50 crore rupees or more, or every public company having turnover of 250 crore or more. So for these three categories of companies, they are supposed to obtain secretarial audit report from company secretary in practice, and these report is to be annexed with the report of board of directors which is prepared in accordance with section 134 subsection 3. However, the turnover means the aggregate value of the realization of amount made from sale, supply or distribution of goods or on account of services rendered or both by the company during financial year. The secretarial audit report is required to be provided in the format prescribed in Form MR3. Remember this Form MR3. Secretarial audit report is to be in the Form MR3. Rule 9 of the Company's Appointment and Remuneration of Managerial Personnel Rules 2014. Now we'll see subsection 2 of section 204. It shall be the duty of the company to give all assistance and facilities to the company secretary in practice for auditing the secretarial and related records of the company. So it is necessary that the employees and officers of the company should give all information and explanation required by company secretary for auditing the secretarial and related records of the company. Subsection 3. The Board of Directors in their report made in terms of subsection 3 of subsection 134 shall explain in full any qualification or observation or other remark made by company secretary in practice in his report under subsection 1. Company secretary's report is to be annexed with board's report if in the report the company secretary has made any qualifications, remarks or observations. It is the duty of the board of directors to explain all this in full. Subsection 4 of section 204. If a company or any officer of company or company secretary in practice contravenes the provisions of this section, the company, every officer of the company or company secretary in practice who is in default shall be punishable with fine which shall not be less than 1 lakh rupees but which may extend to 5 lakh rupees. So this is section 204 of Companies Act 2013 for secretarial audit. Procedure of appointment of secretarial audit. As per Rule 8 of Companies, Meetings of Board and its Powers, Rule 2014, Secretarial Auditor is required to be appointed by means of resolution passed at a duly convened board meeting. So appointment of Secretarial Auditor is by passing resolution in meeting of Board of Directors. It is advisable for Secretarial Auditor to get a letter of engagement from the company. Secretarial Auditor should accept the letter of engagement. However, it is advisable that any changes in the Secretarial Auditor during the financial year are to be reported to the members in the board's report. So in this particular video, we have seen secretarial audit under section 204. Thank you.